So today is Saturday and we are going to surprise Mikey later. It's her birthday together with Nice for tomorrow also. Their gifts. So hopefully they will like it. And yeah. Kinda excited to have a surprise for a friend and a family here in New Zealand. So see you later. Someone is having a bad day. Inulog niya yung cupcakes. Look. Mikey, we're so sorry. Pero love ka namin. May picture pa naman na maganda. Send lang sa'yo ni Nice. Oh, ito. Ano, explain. Explain yourself.
I'm so sorry. Mapasok ko sa pain.
Mapasok ko sa pain.
Mapasok ko sa pain.
Mapasok.
We're on a break. Chan mo, girl. Someone is really having a bad day.
I know. It's not a good day at all.
Don't worry. You're still pretty, right?
I know.
Oh, ano nga, ganyan ang hair? Ocho? Zero.
Mapasok ko sa pain.
Red na yung nose ko.
Pero I'm not in the mood, but
Parati siyang, pero kanina napatawa namin. Napatawa ng ibang tao to.
kasi
No censored.
kasi ganito yun. May lalaki kanina ka. Alam niyo ba yun?
Guwapo.
Matangkad siya like 6'4" in height. And he was walking. And he was holding
Mapasok ko sa pain.
Go. Yun na lang conclusion na gusto ko.
feeling ko, hindi siya naligo eh. Tapos siya, ayaw ka te. Kasi talaga. Pero naglalakad siya. Di mo tapos.
Binabantayan niya talaga, I swear.
Tapos naglalakad siya, di ba? Lalakad.
Ganun.
Lalakad niya. Ganun siya maglakad, oh. Ganun siya maglakad. Maglakad niya.
Kunyari, may phone.
Hindi, kumawat din siya sa puwet niya. Kasi makatid din. Wala talaga yung ligo.
So, concluded na.
Na,
Walang ligo. Yun na lang. Kasi pati pati bomb.
and he's so cute. He is cute.
We're waiting. Pupunta kami kina
I
Mikey.
love you, Mikey.
21. Oh.
We gonna bring
Linak ko sila.
Oh my God, I'm sorry for the cupcake na zero.
Na-video mo na, girl. Happy birthday
Huwag na po kanta. Happy
birthday to you.
Thank you. Oh, wish mo na,
Wish mo na. 21.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kumain na ba kayo?
Mission accomplished.
Yes, mission accomplished. Umiyak si Mikey.
Oh. Kung
I'm just happy.
Kung
I'm just happy.
Kakain na kami. Happy birthday,